Go.
All right, so we're group LeakTech, and we're here to talk about disciplined entrepreneurship, step 14. So this chapter talks about follow-on markets, which are markets similar to our beachhead market that can be explored once the beachhead market is dominated. It also talks about how to calculate a broader TAM. This is a check and make sure we are heading in the right direction to build a scalable business, and also a reminder of what the bigger opportunity is.
So there's two types of follow-on markets. One involves selling the same customer additional products and or applications, which is often referred to as upselling. This is where knowledge of our target customer needs can play a role in determining what additional products we could create or resell to the customer. A benefit of this market is we can use existing sales and distribution channels to sell the new products. However, adding additional products will likely stretch our business beyond its core, which may hurt our competitive position in those markets. The second market is to sell the same basic product to adjacent markets, which are also markets similar to your beachhead market. While selling to these new markets usually requires new features, product refinement, and or different packaging. However, we are able to leverage the same core and build off the expertise developed in the beachhead market. The challenge is we will have to establish new customer relationships in each adjacent market, which can be kind of risky and expensive.
So in order to calculate broader TAM, we have to think through and find the various adjacent markets and upselling opportunities that logically make sense with our product. We should be able to find at least 5 or 6 follow-on markets, and using the same general methodology to calculate the TAM for each follow-on market that we did for our beachhead TAM in step 4. If you want to attract venture capital and or build a big business, the general rule is that the broader TAM for 10 or less follow-on markets plus your beachhead market TAM should add up to over $1 billion.
And then the example the book talked about was a sunscreen company that started with a 20 million a year TAM, and then each of their market opportunities expanded on that, and we're worth up to 100 million or more per year, and the TAM for the follow-on markets added up to around 2 billion a year. So to summarize everything up, the calculation of the broader TAM should be a quick validation that there is in fact a bigger market, and should reassure team members and investors that your business has great potential in both the short and long terms. However, until the beachhead is dominated, that should be the company's first and only priority, and where the majority, if not all of the focus is placed.